Hello and welcome. I got a Canon EOS M10 over here, and this thing has batteries which it eats up like nothing. Here is one of the originals, WP-AC07420V 7.2 volts. And I got an adapter kit, an off-brand one, DC coupler DR-E12, and that's pretty much it. And this is a transformer. What does it say? 7.4 at 2 amperes. So let's try it out. We're just gonna plug this in. Interestingly enough, this one only has 2 of these connectors. We're gonna plug this in and open this latch and plug this in. This thing emits a sound which is really annoying. And when we start it, wait a second, it actually works now? Strange, first time I tried it, it just didn't work. It said charge battery. Well, that's a surprise. And let's see, can we actually film with this? Recording, huh. Man, but I will have to test this some more. I was pretty sure it's broken. Although I gotta say, the sound is super annoying. Like a stupid bird. Oh well. Well, apparently it works. Just try another time. I'm not sure what happened here. Glad it works. Alright. Maybe it was plugged in the wrong way the first time. Okay, so it actually worked that time. But if I start it again, it just says change the battery. What even is going on? Seems to be a hit and miss kind of thing. Change the battery. Aha. So it could be actually that it only will start if you are in auto mode. Could this actually be? Yeah, it does start in auto mode. 3 out of 4, I mean no, 3 out of 3. If we go into manual camera mode, it will start as well. If we are in filming mode, what? Why does it I really don't get it. It seems to just work now. I'm quite confused. Yeah, not sure what to say at this point. It sometimes doesn't work. It works nearly always. Weird. So I want to also show you that this is possible to be used with like an adapter for a tripod. Yep, it works. It works perfectly. Oh, I'm so happy. I was worried there for a second. So this is, let me just check in a second what kind of adapter that is. It should be like pretty much standard size. Yeah, as you can see, there's just enough space there for this little flap to be even moving a little. And this adapter is compatible with the Alpha 2500. That's a very, very cheap tripod that does its job well, though. Like 4.2, 4.3 for the actual piece, and the, like that's the base, right? And the width of the actual attached piece, I don't know, to the camera, that is about 5 centimeters. In inches, that's about 2 inches. Yeah, so this thing emits an annoying sound. If you have that too, please let me know. I'm really curious to hear if you have issues with that as well. Be it in the official pack, which is incredibly expensive, or in the unofficial ones, which are incredibly cheap by comparison. Just let me know. I'm really curious to hear what kind of problems you have. Please subscribe. This channel can use all the help it can get. Hope this helped in any way. If this was a relief, like that it actually can be closed and used, let me know. I know it can be, like, you can feel bad about it, but I mean, you should just focus on the relief you feel, not about making a mistake that might appear stupid. Plus, this thing didn't even have an instruction manual with it, so it's really understandable. Anyways, hope to see you next time. Until then, have a good one taking photos.